Day one, a lot of the questions we get asked, what do I need for day one? Boots, kit bags, pens, that sort of thing. And yeah, obviously just chip in anytime. You're over on
Yeah,
that screen. Boots and kit bag, whatever, you'll find stuff, right? Pens, yeah, get pens. I'll tell you what you need to take. And again, this is the gloves off stuff. The three things you need for day one, right? You need to make sure that you are going this, and this will stay with you for your policing career. You make sure you turn up having slept. You make sure you have good food. You make sure you exercise. That's what you need to do for day one. You need to turn up ready to go and be disciplined, because this is day one. You need to set out your stall. If you can't turn up for work well rested, with your food prepped, having exercise, you're no good to your team. Okay, so however you meal prep, however you decide to get through that, there is nothing worse, Andy, you said, at 3 o'clock in the morning, you've had nothing to eat, you've got no water with you. So from day one, guys, just, get
yeah.
in that zone of you've been to the gym, or you've got your gym time planned, you know your sleep routine. And again, you're going to find something that suits you on nights, on lates, on earlies. That's what you need for your day one. Okay. Boots and the kit and things like that. Yeah, yeah, okay. It's interesting, but this is the stuff that you really need to be disciplined and focused and be able to perform from day one. And anything you want to say on that? Is that fair?
No, I mean, obviously you will be issued kit within the first 48, 72 hours, but just smart casual on the first day. No need for top hat and tails, but shirt, chinos, smart shoes, and then within a day, isn't it really? 2 days, you'll be starting to go down to stores and get all your kit issued. Hats, you'll be measured for all your personal protective equipment. And obviously then you'll be getting your warrant cards and your photo taken and lots of things, exciting things like that.